Hi guys, it's Haven here. Today it's Easter and I'm going to be showing you what I got from the Easter Bunny and what fidget toys. So first up, I got this wacky track. It's very, very fidgety. I like fidgeting. Really, really, really good. I love it. Wacky tracks are my favorite. Except I wish I got a pink one or a purple. Except it's just, yeah, it's good anyways. When I got this marble and mesh, I got a purple one too. We'll get it out. Yeah, they're really good. I love them. Then I got this pink fidget cube. Buttons. Light switch. Click on this. Clicks and
Where'd you get it? What was it in?
My taco roll.
Oh, it must be baked for fish.
Yeah, and it.
There, and then I got 3 monkey noodles. 1, 2, 3. The Easter Bunny spoils me. I just.
I opened my car.
Funny, it looks just like
Ew.
cute little nose, floppy little ears.
That's the whole entire one. Ooh, it's way skinnier. Ooh. So I just like playing.
This is a lobster.
And it's the green one, like. And these things are really stretchy and I love them. So yeah, there that was.
I've seen this in your bed.
Then the next thing I got was this puzzle ball.
The Easter Bunny did that?
So
I want to wash your hair quick.
no. So if you don't know what you can do with this, you pretty much just like mix it up with the ring color and try to get the color back. So say this was in the white ring. You wanted to get it back to the orange ring. So you do this.
It's a bath bomb. But it says it's a light up. Yeah. I guess there's a light in it.
And then if you go inside, it's like a
Not for children under 3.
good move
How
on.
old are you, Hudson? 2?
Steven,
That's mine.
5.
Do you want to drink chocolate or strawberry milk with one of these?
I already ate one.
You're supposed to drink milk through it.
Oh, I thought it was nerds.
It's a straw. You ate a whole thing of these?
Yeah.
She ate the straws?
I guess.
I ate one straw.
You were supposed to drink milk, and when you're drinking, it turns your milk into strawberry milk.
Oh, so next thing I got was this. I like to call it like fidget slime. Fidget slime.
You knock your teeth out.
Fidget slime. Okay. And then I also got this peas in a pod.
Silly putty. You even got one too, I guess.
I got silly funny.
What do you do with it? I love this one.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
And then I also got some mochi. I'll get it all, like all of it that I got. These usually come in my Easter eggs. Oh, little battery. Oh, little chickie. Turtle. Yee. So I got these. I'll go through them one by one. Oh, my favorite. So first, this is my favorite, the little elephant, and so cute. Focus. Okay, it's so cute. Cause like that's his little hand on its ear, and it's light blue. It's not major. Next up is this cute yellow unicorn.
It has something in it.
Very squishy. Yeah, it does. It's cool. Next thing I have is this doggy. Cute. Next thing I have is this turtle. The turtle, there's like pattern on it. I don't think the camera can see it though. Next thing I have, I call this a chinchilla. Comment down below what you think it is. I think it's a chinchilla though. Next thing I have is this cute little Easter, this little chickie,
What is that?
pink little chickie. It's
Oh,
cute.
stretchy.
And then last thing, I got this little bear. It's a little brown bear. Its eyes kind of messed up.
With a fishing lure.
Okay.
I searched all over
Okay, good.
for your
And that's
block.
my
And you don't
Easter
have- you must have
basket.
lost it.
Not all of it. I got more. But
block,
let's
but
just
it was a special block because it was the
bye.